Go Damo. Hit him, Nick. Wait, that was close, Nick, wasn't it? Nick. That was close, wasn't it?
Yeah, it's dripping out of me.
Hey Skillz, we're here with the Woodwork Challenge.
And penalties.
And shit the keeper challenge. And I'm Damo.
And I'm Nick.
And
Down at our
hope you enjoy it.
And I got $2.
We're down at our local pitch.
First up is Woodwork Challenge, so basically all you do is so you have to get the uprights and the crossbar in.
So, hop out of the way.
You've got 3 attempts at each one.
You have to get this one, and this one.
You've got 3 attempts at each one.
Also, let's do it over there.
I'm going to have a go at that one first, right?
Dang!
Yep, sorry.
He's got 2 more to go. Oh, he's done it!
Okay, so I've got 1 more at whichever one I've got.
Oh, that's horrible.
Here he goes. Oh, what's he doing here? Oh! He's actually got it! He's done it!
I'm actually surprised I got that.
Yeah, I am.
Right, I got 1 more.
And, oh, he's done it. Oh, unlucky.
Can I just point out that they're wearing actual football shoes? So they should be doing better. He's got 1 more try at getting the left. No, that's horrible.
So at the moment, me and James got that one. We just got that one and that one. I don't know what's happening. I'm going to go that side again. James Holden with the strike. Oh, that was actually that wasn't that bad. Feels he can absolutely staunch the crossbar challenge. Bang. Okay, here we go. He's going for that one. And yep, yeah. Goes. Oh, Skillz. Okay. Oh. Your opponents are being the best ones. I'm sorry for that. Let's talk about Dreadful. He strikes it. He needs to get a little bit off the ground. He can't be like James Holden. I can't get any higher. Okay, crossbar. He's going for crossbar. Oh, that was close. That was close. Yes, that's. He goes. I was getting ready to go, yes, but I'm like, crossbar again, ladies and gentlemen. So Damo's already hit the left post. Just go right. He's going crossbar again. He's going crossbar again, boys. Yeah. He got that. Oh, that had a bit of swerve. Yeah. James Holden, third attempt. Oh, James Holden. Oh, Damo. Oh, Damo. James Holden with a sexy Saints jumper.
Up the Saints. No.
No, he's not. He's not. Yep, my attempt.
Dave, why don't you just go?
Alright. Gonna have this one attempt at right post. Alright.
Oh!
I really can't do the post, so I'm just gonna go crossbar.
No, that was right post.
Crossbar.
Crossbar. Oh! If you went left, that would have definitely hit.
What a shame to judge a life that you can't change. Again, you better love me again.
Oh! Oh my god, that was close.
What a shame.
That was this far.
That would have been so good, just a little.
Right post. I can't get it higher, so.
Can't get it high enough, so it's just gonna go right post. Come on, Damo. Nope. No.
Can't get it higher. Got the tiniest legs.
And missed it. James Holden.
Oh, yes.
Yep.
Okay, here we go.
Go for that post again. Yep. That post. That post.
Mate, you should just do a bonus all day.
Okay. My next one, honestly. That post is stuffed. Okay, I can turn this thing right around. Nick's losing this challenge. Oh, that was actually... He's probably been the most accurate, but he's losing. He's losing.
Again with a no look.
Oh, that was so close.
Yeah, third time.
I'm going to go right post. Nearly hit the camera.
Watch this, it's gonna hit. Make the ground shake. Just absolutely toe punt it. Oh!
Warriors. Was that cross?
Oh my god!
Did he hit the crossbar?
He was like that far off.
Oh.
That didn't hit. That didn't either. All this. Go, James. Yes, James. Just kick it. Over. Just kick it over. Toe punt nation, hashtag it. Oh my god. He's toe punt, is he? No. He's gonna hit it. No, he's not. It's actually probably the worst crossbar he's done today. Get to that point in the video, so you go big or you go home. I think he's gonna go home. Yeah, he's definitely going home. Jack, come on, James, go home. Go home.
Alright guys, I'm just gonna go crossbar.
Me too.
No, you're not.
Imagine, just imagine, please. Please just imagine.
Imagine. I'm sorry. Okay, I'm just gonna go once. Left
Crossbar.
post. Left post. And then the rest will be crossbar.
Have you done left post yet?
No.
Oh no! Oh my god!
Oh, look, crossbar.
Oh god. These are really good ones. These are really good ones. These are his.
Ronaldinho, if you're watching.
Ronaldo, lines up. Oh! Oh my god, that was so close. Oh my god, Damo!
Straight on toe pump.
So good at toe
Damo, that was so good.
I hit the cross. The ground.
That was so good. My toe still hurts from my toe pump. These are the best teeth you've ever seen.
Pretty close, yeah. This is the rhythm of the night. Oh yeah. Oh, James told me a cracking. It's on Instagram. No, I got it. We forgot whose turn it is when our friends came over. Yeah. So we're just gonna go with you.
Sorry, it's a little bit tilted. It's actually quite tilted.
Yeah. I'm gonna go crossbar. No lock, ready? You ready?
Ooh!
Toe punt nation.
Is that your
Third.
He still hasn't hit anything.
What a shame. Right, here we go. Wish me luck, guys.
I like it!
That was great. Thank you.
Explain to me, how did he get over that side?
I'm majestic!
Illuminati confirmed.
He's majestic. He likes majestic people, and that's what he does. James Holden is his name. He likes doing things the same as Cristiano Ronaldo. I'm gonna give that to that was pretty special. That counts. I'm gonna give that to that was a special lesson. James, he's on his way to win this one because I'm gonna give him that because mate, who couldn't give him that? Kiosk, but that means James wins because he's got that one and the crossbar. So I need to hit something. He gets another turn.
Oh yeah, I have one chance to redeem myself. Good game. Well, good round. I'm actually the best. We're doing call out pins, 5 shots each. Bottom left. Top left, top right, bottom right, middle.
Bottom right.
That's straight. Nah, that was horrible.
And top left.
No!
No, that doesn't count.
Was that top? Was that bottom?
Yeah, but he said top. Freaking, I'm too short. I can't be going. Bottom right. Straight down the middle. Where are you going? James! Alright. He's got top right, people. I'm too small for this. Oh, put it in the top bins! Oh! Down the middle.
Oh my god!
Top.
I'm not telling
Top
you.
that way.
Oh! Woodwork! That was close.
Mate, that would have. Oh. Okay,
Bottom left.
Bottom left. I don't know where he's going. He confused me. Nope. Bottom left.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Top left.
No, wait, Damo!
Go, James, hold in! James!
Can go anywhere.
left, top left.
He's going top left.
What? Up it, down.
He is so small.
It's bottom bit. Anyway.
Oh, good save.
Bottom right. Oh, are we gonna count that? Yeah. Alright, I've obviously got to go top right. Let's go. Come on, James. Yeah! What is that? This penalty challenge. It's not call outs, it's just go wherever.
At the moment, we're just going to say that we're all tired. So, the camera that I use is out of SD card and batteries.
Since we all tied in the last challenge, to see who wins that last challenge, we're all going to do not call out penalties, but just normal penalties. And of course, we all tied, so yeah.
What?
You even tricked me, my bros.
Yep.
That's it.
So James is officially out.
Damo! I told you he was the worst goalkeeper. I swear to God. Oh, what a pen. That was actually pretty good. Oh!
The thing.
Damo's won the whole thing.
Yeah, but then who does it forfeit? So the next penalty, I'll be in goal for the whole thing. Just these two taking shoot out, see who gets forfeit.
Go.
He got the 2x. This one, we're thinking it's ball flour, but we might not have flour, so we might have to. Not. Yeah.
Ooh, that's close. Oh.
Close.
Oh! What a goal! Oh, come on, man of the match. He's got my phone and my finger. What a goal!
James. Oh, chipped him.
Out of 5? Yeah. Oh, that wasn't necessarily a chip. But ooh, that was nice. No.
Nope.
Whoa, that was bad. Oh, that was close.
Alright, guys. Me and Damo are tied up on 2 out of 3. No, out of 4. No. How many attempts have we had? 4. Alright, and James has got 1 out of 3. James, hold it!
I was so scared.
James, you're on 2 each. And me? Yeah, Nick's on 2 and he's got each one. I'm on 2.
Oh. Wait. Cue the epic battle music. Oh! He's hit the crossbar!
If I get this, I win.
Come on, Damo, you can save this. Oh, yes, Damo! Damn, son, that's close.
If I get this, I win.
I hope the battle music's still playing.
I feel pretty good. Ow!
Let me sign you guys off with a crossbar.
Alright. Crossbar challenge? Yep. Or not? Yep, you're on time. Yeah. Run. Nope.
That skimmed it.
No, it didn't. There was no noise.
Boys, it skimmed
No,
it.
it didn't. No. Mine skimmed the crossbar.
Oh, yeah, it was like...
See? See, you just heard it from the big man himself. Hear it from me. Kiwi's just being unsportsmanship. And he missed it as well. If James gets both of these crossbars, Nick has to do the forfeit. Okay, if James gets one, Nick says he will do the forfeit. James, come on, you gotta do it.
Thank you.
Nick, the nice man. Nick, that nice man right there. Nick. Oh! Oh, I swear that skimmed. Okay, so I have to tip flour all over him. Plain flour. Good 400 mils in there.
I got my protection.
He's got his protection. Just wipe right off that.
It's gonna get all through my thick hair.
Just gonna plump it on him, and James and Nick's turn. He's just filming it.
Oh, what a nice bloke he is. He gave me what, like 15 chances. But then I eventually got it. Okay. 3. Oh, this reminds me of my preschool. I did this before.
Oh, yummy.
Look at that. Oh.
Action shot. Alright, boys.
Wait.
James Holden, how do you feel?
I am a ghost.
It's snowing. Ew, he's got nits.
ghost.
James Holden's a real Slim Shady.
range jacket. Yeah.
He's a real.
No, I'm Casper the ghost. Remix that stuff. Casper the ghost. There it is. Oop, there it is.
Not yet.
Hello there. Hello. Give it all up to you.
Okay,
Yes.
another 400 mils.
Right, we're
Look on
good.
this lovely hand.
Generous.
Thick hair. Oh, this was good.
Yeah, I know, right? Smells like preschool, eh?
It smells like flour.
Really? He's got it way better than me.
Yeah.
Because you kept moving around.
Woo, that's good. I like that.
Wait.
It's good for the skin.
Wait, go. Oh.
It's good for the skin,
Damo.
guys.
Oh,
it's nice.
wait. Oh, that was mad. Do it again. You look like Justin Bieber.
Ready? Get slow motion.
Wait.
Okay, make sure to subscribe and like the video.
Like the video and
Hope you guys
stay
enjoyed.
tuned to Skillz at Killz and check out our Instagram in the bottom.
Yep. Bye, guys.
Bye.
Bye, guys. Love you.
Bye, guys.
Hope you guys enjoyed the video.